Is modern technology stifling creativity? Dr. Hwa A raises this provocative question, focusing on the omnipresent smartphone to delve into the complexities of technology's impact on our creative minds. Dr. Lim begins by highlighting a fundamental concern. Smartphones, while revolutionary, might be eroding our capacity for reflection, introspection, and independent thinking. The ease with which we can obtain instant advice with a simple tap often discourages us from making decisions independently. Why ponder when you can Google? Yet on the flip side, Dr. Lim acknowledges the empowering nature of these devices. Smartphones allow us to gather vast amounts of information rapidly, connecting us with ideas and knowledge that were once beyond our reach. This access can expand our understanding and inspire creativity, provided it's used judiciously. The relationship between humans and their smartphones, Dr. Lim notes, closely resembles the care required for a digital pet, like the Tamagotchi invented by Aki Maita in 1996. These devices demand constant attention. They glow and buzz, pulling our gaze and demanding interaction. This interaction isn't just with the device, but through it to a broader social world where emails, tweets, and updates flow ceaselessly. Dr. Lim points out that this connectivity breeds a specific kind of narcissism. The social web pushes us to curate our online avatars meticulously, striving to remain at the metaphorical popular kids table. The immediate feedback loop of followers, likes, and retweets turns our social presence into a commodity, and always-on day trading in the unstable currency of the self. Moreover, the expectation of constant availability has turned these mobile devices into both a tool for enhanced mobility and a leash of sorts. They tether us to work, family, and social obligations with the promise that we are always reachable, always ready to respond. Digital natives might argue that they can seamlessly toggle between online and offline worlds. However, Dr. Lim suggests that the true challenge lies in balancing screen time with genuine human interaction, like maintaining eye contact at a dinner table, without the digital interference. In panels and meetings, it's not uncommon to find participants more engaged with their screens than the ongoing discussion, often caught off guard when it's their turn to contribute. This scenario underscores a broader societal shift where the digital world can overshadow the physical one. Dr. Lim concludes that technology, particularly smartphones, is indeed a double-edged sword. It has the potential to enhance our lives significantly, making daily tasks more manageable and information more accessible. However, when misused or overused, it can detract from our independence and creativity. In essence, the key lies in mindful usage. Smartphones empower us, but only when we don't let them overpower our ability to think, create, and interact authentically with the world around us. Dr. Lim's insights remind us that while technology can facilitate incredible advancements, it should enhance, not dictate, the scope of our creativity.